It's important to be aware of the latest industry trends, but some types of businesses will always be in demand. You've heard the phrase, the more things change, the more they stay the same, right? Well, when it comes to the certain types of businesses, that phrase holds true. In this video, we will talk about 7 business sectors that are sure to stay relevant, no matter how much the economy or market changes. Whether you're looking to start a business or add a side hustle to your existing career, these businesses are sure to provide you with a steady income source and possibly even opportunity for growth. Whether you're an inspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned professional, these 7 businesses should make it into your radar. Let's dive in and explore what makes them so resilient. Before we go ahead, please like the video and subscribe to Financial Freedom. Let's get started. Number 1. Healthcare and medical supplies. Healthcare and medical supplies may be the most resilient industry of them all. Even during a recession, people still need medications and medical treatments for illnesses, injuries, and diseases. On top of that, technological advancements are constantly being made in the medical field to provide more accurate diagnosis and effective treatments. In fact, healthcare investments accounted for 17.2% of all the investments in 2019. From healthcare providers, to doctors and nurses, to hospitals and clinics, there's always a need for professionals to administer treatments, plus the tools they use. Syringes, gloves, masks, thermometers are all necessary items. And one of the best parts is that you don't need any special education or certification to sell healthcare supplies. All that's required is an eye for quality products at an affordable price, something you'll learn over time as you operate your business. Number 2. Food and grocery delivery. You have probably already heard of businesses like Instacart and Postmates, but food delivery is much older than the 21st century. For generations, people has used food delivery services to get exotic ingredients and prepared meals brought to them with minimal effort. And in the years since, the food delivery industry has expanded exponentially. We now have companies like DoorDash and Uber Eats delivering restaurant quality meals right to your doorstep. Even grocery stores like Walmart Groceries and Amazon Fresh are doing curbside pickups for their customers, so they don't even have to get out of the car. The convenience that all these different services offer isn't something that's going away anytime soon. Most people simply don't enjoy grocery shopping enough to abandon food and grocery delivery entirely. So you can also count on being able to order your favorite meals or pick up some toilet paper easily when you need it. Number 3. Online shopping services. Online shopping services will never go out of market. After all, who can resist the convenience of buying what you need with just a few clicks? As more and more people turn into online shopping and save time and money, these services are here to stay. Plus, even when physical retail stores reopen, online shopping is likely to remain popular. Here are a few reasons why. No rush hour traffic or long queues. You can shop for hours without having a battle crowd or stand in lines. Your favorite stores are available without having to leave your home. You get access to the wide range of products from your favorite stores, more affordable prices. Many online retailers offer discounts and deals that make them cheaper than physical stores. Delivery options. Most often, an order is delivered straight to your doorstep, so you don't have to worry about carrying it home. Convenience. You can almost buy anything you want at any time of the day or night. Reviews. You get insights and opinions from real customers who have purchased the product from you, so it helps you make the right choice. Comparison tools. You can compare different brands and models side by side, quickly and easily online. No wonder online shopping services are on track to stay in the market for many years to come. Number 4. Technology and software companies. You may have to come to the realization that technology and software companies are here to stay. Technology is a part of our daily lives, and no matter how quickly it changes, it's here to stay. There are always advancements being made, which means there'll always be a need for technology and software companies. They aren't going anywhere anytime soon. So why are these types of businesses are so resilient? It could be because they're constantly adopting or changing needs and wants, or because they offer products that make life easier. Regardless of the reasons, these companies will continue popping up as long as there is a demand for them in the market. Number 5. Repair and maintenance services. When it comes to businesses that will never go out of the market, repair and maintenance services are right up there. No matter how advanced technology gets or how streamlined the production process becomes, machines and products will always need servicing, repairing and maintenance. Here are a few examples of repair and maintenance businesses that will continue to remain in demand. Car mechanics, electricians, plumbers, builders contractors, appliance repair services, HVAC services, handyman services. No matter what new product is released or what type of technology comes out, people will need the help of skilled artisans to assist them with the repair and maintenance of their goods. They'll always be looking for professionals who will help them keep everything in good shape. Number 6. Education and training companies. Education and training companies are most of the best investment you can make. These type of businesses never go out of fashion because no matter what's happening in the world, people need to learn new skills. Consequently, you'll have an endless stream of customers wanting to learn something new or brush up on existing skills. The demand of education and training is only going to increase as technology continues to evolve around us at a rapid rate. Most people know they need to keep up with the times in order to stay competitive in the job market. So investing in a business that offers educational services is a surefire way to success. Benefits of investing in education and training companies. Investing in education and training companies can reap many rewards. You'll be providing valuable services that benefit society. You can specialize by offering courses on particular topics. You'll have access to a wide variety of customers. Example, high schoolers preparing for college, college students studying for exams, professionals seeking career advancements. You can offer both online-based and offline learning options. You'll always have steady clients who need your services year after year. With education being such an important factor for success in life, there will always be demand for it, even during downturns in the economy. So if you're looking for a business that will never go out of style, education and training companies are a safe bet. Number 7. Clean energy solutions. When it comes to business, clean energy solutions are an evergreen one. In today's world, there is no escaping the fact that we need to find more sustainable ways to generate energy. Clean energy solutions, such as solar and wind energy, can help reduce dependence on fossil fuels. And as more and more countries are making commitments to reducing their carbon footprint, this business sector continues to grow. Companies that provide clean energy solutions offer a range of services, from the supply and installation of solar panels or wind turbines to providing maintenance and repair services for existing systems. Here are some benefits of investing in a clean energy business. The demand for clean energy has been steadily growing for years now, which means customers will always be looking for qualified companies to help them with their needs. Clean energy solutions can be low-cost investments with high returns in the long run, since you will be saving money from not having to pay for traditional electricity over time. Investing in a clean energy solution company gives you the opportunity to do your part with addressing climate change while making money at the same time. The demand for clean energy solutions isn't going anywhere anytime soon. So if you're looking for a great business venture that will stay around long term, this is definitely one worth considering. Conclusion. All of these businesses may have evolved over time, but they continue to exist and thrive in the market. Each business has found a way to remain viable and relevant, proving that where there is an opportunity, there is a way to turn it into a loyal, profitable venture. As the market changes, it is important to stay informed on industry trends and customer demands. Those businesses that can break the mold, stay ahead of the curve, and be nimble and responsive to market conditions will continue to be successful. By remaining both flexible and productive, these businesses are sure to remain viable for many years to come. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe Financial Freedom. And if you have any question or suggestions, write it below in comments. Thanks for watching.